No, there's lots of ways to fly. And some of them, you don't even need wings.
What do you mean?
Well, if you're in a rocket ship, you don't really need wings.
Well, that's true.
Yes, you'd blast off into space in your spaceship.
That would be fun to do for our adventure today.
Okay, will you come with us? To go on our adventure, we'll need to mix our magic and go to a rocket launch pad.
Okay, let's mix our magic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mix our magic and go to a rocket launch pad. This is so awesome.
Okay, Rockets, let's get ready. Let's crouch down, ready to blast off into space.
We're going to need a countdown.
Have you done a countdown before? A countdown goes backwards.
Let's count down backwards from 10.
Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! We're shooting up into space. We need some more power. We're breaking through the world's atmosphere. Great job, everyone. Let's explore space. There's so many interesting things out here. We're getting ready to land on the moon. How exciting! How great was it that we landed on the moon? We should definitely go back and have another adventure on the moon soon.
Absolutely. There's so many things to discover in space.